Hello WitBlox makers! In this video, we are going to build a levitating ball mechanism that makes this ball levitate in the air. For this, we need a power blocks, a motor driver blocks, and a drone motor. Power gives power to all the blocks. The motor driver blocks helps to run the motor at very high speed. Now, let's understand how this works. When we turn the power on, a powerful jet stream of air is created. Ball levitation happens due to Bernoulli's principle, where the flowing air creates a low pressure area around the ball so that it floats in air. Now let's build the structure. First, let's make the drone motor base. For that, we join 4 3-hole elbows in a circle as shown. Next, we'll make the stand by taking 4 3-hole elbows and attaching them from the sides as shown. After that, using 8 2-hole elbows, we create the part that will channel the airflow properly. Add it to the side of the body. Time to attach the motor. Take a 1-hole beam and attach it to the body. Then take the drone motor and a 1-hole elbow and fix it. Attach it to the body with the motor shaft facing down. Why downwards? We shall find out in a bit. Lastly, attach the propeller to the motor. Use the logic created before and connect the motor to the driver blocks. Now we are ready for magic. The propeller is made to face downwards because in this way the ball is more stable. Our levitating ball mechanism is now ready.